guys, it's D3 here, and today I'm going to be unboxing Young Crouchy for you guys, okay? Yeah, so he includes some pretty cool pieces, like some instructions, and, what's this? I think that's the pants. Yeah, and then we got his voice box inside here, and we have, well, that's actually his clothes.
There's his pants.
And pants.
Right, and then this is his shirt.
And yeah. Yeah, and then we have his head, his ginormous, and his skirt thingy. Here's his head, guys. It's kind of half of his head right there. And then we have his giant hands. I'll take that out so you can see the whole with.
I got you.
I guess I'll just.
There's his head. Here, give me his hands here.
Here's his head. My dad just unwrapped it. Yeah. It's really creepy, by the way. Right? Really creepy. Okay. He got his giant, oopsie, his shoes. There's two of them inside the box. There's his shoes.
Take his other one out. I'll cut this off because there's a zip tie on it.
Okay. And then here's his other shoe. They're basically the same shoes, but that. And yeah, here's the arms out of the box. And the head out of the box. Really creepy. Even though I think I already said that. Pants out of the box. And shorty, the shirt out of the box. His shirt is also really creepy. Does it even fit me? No, it doesn't even fit me.
Holes here, and here's the voice box and control. And then here's the
both the same
base.
Base.
All right, we're gonna collect ourselves, get everything kind of started here, and we will be right back.